the risk of cancer, diabetes, and also increase your brain function. Also good for hyperacidity. So I want to tell you about NK cell. This Otsukushi actually stimulates our immune system by increasing our NK cell or the natural killer cells. Natural killer cells, the name sounds scary, yeah? But this actually good. It's scary for virus and bacteria and cancer and tumor. So it can get rid of cancer and tumor. We have immune system already, yeah, but usually the NK cell not much. So sometimes the immune system cannot detect the cells that already have mutation. So after the cells mutate, they keep growing, become different from uh, the the natural cells. That's what we call tumor and cancer. But natural killer cells very clever. It usually can detect the one that is missed by other immune system and can get rid of it. We can see later in photos. Yeah. So we already talking about the patterns. Yeah. About the bacteria, about what's inside. Yeah. This is the proof. Yeah. You see, this is cancer actually inside her mouth and become better. Yeah. Disappear completely. And also this lady. Yeah. Have a tumor in the neck. Yeah. From my experience, a lot of tumor, uh, salivary gland tumor, lymph nodes, Hodgkin, non-Hodgkin, and a lot of others. Yeah, sometimes even not diagnosed because patients when they don't have money, they think it is better than to go to hospital. It is better just to buy this product. So it's like this patient 14 days already disappear. Yeah, the lungs, and then this is the eye problem. This is the tumor called rhabdomyosarcoma. Yeah. If I, as a doctor, face this, I think there is no hope already. Yeah, because this must also spread already to the brain and every tissue around. And what will we do? We will throw away this part maybe and causing big damage. Yeah. But using this product, this patient can be good again. Yeah. This is the breast cancer. Yeah. This is before consumption, so this is the nipple actually. So can you imagine this is very big wound and rotting already, and maybe almost half of, because inside is must be necrotic, so almost half of the the breast already rotten. Yeah, but after 3 days consumption, this is 7 days, not hour, yeah, 7 days, and this is 11 days of consumption the product. The wound close and the breast become almost normal 100%. So this is a very powerful product. And the second product is SOP Subarasi. SOP Subarasi actually will imitate the placenta in human because even from Chinese era, yeah, the emperor usually want to get young, and somehow because maybe forcing the doctors at that time, yeah, he know that the placenta are very good for health. So yeah, maybe I saw in the internet, I don't know whether it's true or not, but they consume the placenta, sometimes even the fetus. So it's not like not human, yeah, but because want to get young. But this is not ethical. So if we compare what's inside the salmon ovary peptide, what's inside the SOP, the product that we discuss now, is a lot of amino acid, and it is even better and more concentration comparing to human placenta and beef placenta. So what's inside the SOP is one, it is made from the seed that hold the salmon eggs together. If we open stomach of fish that contains egg, usually we will find the eggs together because of one seed that hold the eggs together. This seed is taken from the salmon egg, and processed, this will be the main ingredient. We call it SOP, or salmon ovary peptide. That is only a term because usually the fish don't have ovary, of course, because uh, yeah, only the whale have mammalia, yeah, but the others it's not mammal, so don't have. But this is the term, yeah, salmon ovary peptide, and this ingredient actually have a very good effect. One is it can regenerate our cells by stimulate our natural stem cells. So this is very good comparing to stem cells injection because this is natural from our body. So no rejection and very cheap comparing to injection, and also not painful. Yeah, only taking it, consume it. The taste more or less like candy, yeah, is okay, but the effect you will be amazed if you have consumed this after a time. Yeah. So this has effect the regeneration of cells. It can renew your cells. Yeah, all of the cells in your body, included the hormonal cells. So if your hormone cells become new again, become young again, of course the release of hormones also become normal again. Of course you will be young again and normal again. A lot of illness actually caused by the hormone imbalance. That's why if you are a lady that has this disturbance in menstruation period, yeah, whether it's too long or too short period, or too much blood or too little blood, or whatever, or painful during the menstruation, you have to be very careful because it's not only that symptom that we think of. What we have to think is the hormone imbalance that can cause tumor and cancer and so on. So a lot of people don't know about this. So when they have a lady have lump in breast or cyst in stomach or something like that, they will just do operation. This is not solving the problem because the hormone imbalance not treated. So the tumors will appear again, and become malignant. Yeah. But if you make the hormone balance, then the tumors will disappear by themselves. And this I saw this a lot in this past 5 years. And also, second, it can clean our blood vessels. You know, our blood vessel plays very important role because it transport oxygen and also nutrition to our cells. Without two of these, our cells will sick and die. And if a lot of cells sick and die, we also will sick and die. So by improving the blood circulation, it will help a lot. It can clean your blood vessel, mean the plaque will also be removed. We have a lot of testimonials, yeah, from someone, even the frontal testimonial, someone do the catheterization already, put camera inside the cable to see the blood vessel, and it is clogged. So the patient's actually in Malaysia, yeah. So the doctors tell him to come back after 1 or 2 months because some reason I forgot about what's the detailed story. But after going back from Indonesia to do the operations, the doctors do the operations uh, directly because there is no medication that can clean your plaque, in medical world. That's why they always put the ring or stent inside your blood vessel. But this patient already consumed this product. When they did the operation, the doctors become amazed because the plaques, because there is no plaque again there inside the blood vessel. So I have a lot of testimonial, included our leaders. Yeah, his name is Budi Darwin. He also before have a blood vessel clog and very painful chest, shortness of breath, and everything. But using this product, the blood vessel clean up until now. So he's very healthy now. He can climb to waterfalls with me. Yeah, two waterfalls instantly. So that's very long distance and climbing, but he can do it very fast. Yeah. Last time I go with him to Japan, a village name Takayama or Tateyama, I forget it. Oh, sorry, I forgot the name. But this is the old village that have mountain, have like a hill, yeah. And me and my wife climbed that hill, but before we reach about, because my wife cannot walk so fast, but when we reach about half of the hill, Budi Darwin already go down from the top, yeah. So he's now in very, very good condition, yeah. And second, we have in this product sardine peptide. Sardine peptide very useful in regulating our blood pressure. So high blood pressure can be normal using this, but the one that with low blood pressure don't have to worry, because this is not medication. This is the difference, because all AFC product is natural. So if medication, you have to determine whether you want it to go up your blood pressure, or go down. But in natural product, it can normalize even the high blood pressure, the low blood pressure, it will become normal. So this is very good, yeah. And the third, it contains the fruit flow. Fruit flow is the patented name for the gel around the tomato seeds. Yeah, they take these gels and process it using several high-tech method. So this proves to be so good in preventing the blood clot, in preventing the blood thickness. You know that the blood thickness actually plays very, very important role. Yeah? A lot of people still cannot didn't know what's the causing effect of stroke and heart attack. They think is the main is cholesterol, but the truth is the blood clot. That's why in every case of stroke, every case of blood attack, they will give you aspirin or a thinning agent, yeah, clopidogrel or thing like that. And this proved to be even better from aspirin, because it's more powerful but very, very mild comparing to aspirin. So this will help us naturally make our blood not thick. And this is important because in COVID, this product useful, very, very useful, because a lot of COVID patients die because of blood clot, actually. Blood clot in the lung and in blood vessel, By consume this product, usually we give 2 sachet one time. Even if the patient unconscious, we just stir it with water, put in nasogastric tube, the tube for feeding. We give 2 sachet, and then we make ready 5 more sachet that is given every hour. By using this 7 sachet, usually the patients will wake up, yeah, and conscious again. And yeah, that's our experience during COVID. That's why during COVID, this product sold like crazy in Indonesia. So another MLM company closed while AFC Indonesia have records on selling, yeah. 450 million rupiahs only in 1 month. So every month like that. So this very, 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 very sad, uh, very, very sad condition, the COVID for us, but also very, very happy condition for AFC people, because earn a lot of money. And we go around, so I still keep going to another part of Indonesia, yeah, doing presentation, because yeah, I did it for more than 2 years, but never got COVID. So I think this product helped us a lot. Yeah. And we talked about this already, about what's inside also. Okay. So how about if this product for pregnant mother? Actually, even for pregnant mother, it is very, very safe, this product, because all the product natural. Even it do the good things, because it has the research that back up that it will improve your gene expression. That means if you have one of these genes, yeah, then your baby, usually this is genetic, so your baby will have this disturbance. Like this one, yeah, your baby will become short, not tall. While this one, the baby will when grow adult, it will have cancer. You know, like Angelina Jolie do operations to get rid of the breast because uh, it has the tendency from the gene to have cancer. But if maybe if her mother consume this product, maybe that will never happen, yeah, because it can take care of the genes like this. So this is a very good for pregnant women to start have this product, and also it will help the milk production, the mother's milk. The quality will be very good. This is the mothers that told me that the thickness of the milk different, yeah, and also they will have a lot of milk. A lot of them even put it in refrigerator because it's too much, yeah, and can help uh, the orphanage and the neighbors that need it, you know. So this is a very good supplement, and the mothers and the baby also very healthy and clever, yeah. So this is another proof this product, this doctor actually have vaccination, COVID vaccination. Afterward, after the injection of the vaccine, right after the injection, he got COVID. So I think a lot of us noticed that maybe the injection bring more problem, yeah, to a person. I have uncle that died after injection because before very healthy, look young, but after injection have heart condition and also kidney failure, which never happened before, you know. So yeah, maybe this vaccine have a good sides, stimulates our immunity, but for several person it brings a bad thing, yeah, because it's causing damage to our body. To this doctor, he got COVID, and then the dimer, the parameter that is used in COVID patients to measure the thickness of the blood, shows 2,000, so very high. After going home from the hospital and declared as healed, the dimer always more than 1,000. So he is a doctor, so he knew that what that means. It means that he can have blood clot suddenly and also can have a stroke and cardiac arrest. So he seeks medication everywhere, you know. The friends also from Jakarta, from abroad, give him product medication, but cannot heal this condition. But after consume this product, he's healed completely and even getting healthier. You see, this is white hair, yeah. This is all black hair. Even the natural black skin of Papuanese become lighter here, yeah, become more fresh and young. So this product can make you younger. This is the the truth. For diabetic patient with wounds, also this proves to be good. Yeah, you see the improvement. This is more over, yeah, because you see this is even like just skeleton and black already. If I didn't know about this product, maybe I will bet my home, my car, my money that this will never get better. But you see the photos on the right, yeah, the flesh grow again and even the bones become white again. And this is psoriasis. So this product very good for autoimmune. A lot of autoimmune patients product, yeah. Some of them even like a normal person. Some of them getting better, yeah. Like my friends, my wife friends. Now she's here, yeah. She's getting better a lot from the autoimmune using this product. And also my brother-in-law have exactly like this, but not this severe, yeah. But severe enough to make you like have dandruff all over, very big here, and the skin here peel, yeah. Um, have to take steroids all the time and concerned about the side effect of steroids because steroid can ruin your kidney, can ruin your bones, make osteoporotic, can make you diabetic and things like that. You know, he knew it. He read it in. Uh, he can browse it. You know, so He concerned about it and consumed the product, and bam, only in 1 week, 2 weeks, the symptom gone totally. Yeah. Also, he has a sinusitis. The sinusitis also good. Yeah, this is for the burn, yeah, burn skin. Only 3 days already improved like this. So a lot of things we can see. This is my friend. He suffered from stroke and lost balance. So the world spinning all the time for him. So he cannot work. But I give 2 box of product. With 2 box, the symptom of imbalance disappear totally, and the hair magically become black again. Yeah. After 5 boxes, you see the difference. And this is the my downlines. See actually the gado-gado seller, so the food seller, yeah, and have stroke, so cannot work. Consume this product, the stroke very fast. I think in several weeks only, 2 weeks, 3 weeks already healed completely. So she market this product, and you see the skin before, yeah, a lot of black spots, yeah. Now very clean, and don't have to work as a gado-gado seller because now selling this product, yeah, in Papua, and the income increased so much. Before only sells gado-gado, only, yeah, in Indonesia that's very little. Only to survive will be difficult, financially to survive will be difficult. But now she has income 40, 60 million 1 month, so this is good, yeah. And this is also a doctor. You see, no hair, look old, yeah, white hair, but become young again, black hair. You see, even the eyebrow, yeah, become. Actually, if it's not the photo, the reality, you can see much more than this because this is low quality photos, yeah. And of course, this product have a lot of award, yeah, because this product actually very good, yeah. Now the third product is regenerating serum that's called Sensei Suru. This is nanopeptide regenerating serum. It means that it can goes into your skin very fast.
大陆不是不玩哦，大陆只是在关税这个部分不